Today I'm gonna show you how to do the quest, the Blood Pact. As you know, this quest is the most of the easy quest to do for the newbies. And to start it, you need to talk to Xenia in Lumbridge Church. Okay, and we're starting. What do you need to help with? I'll help you. Start on the map. Now you need to go down. Now you'll see a little girl that's going... forget it. Don't afraid of these guys. They're really weak. Shut up. I guess you know what you need to do now. Go straight. Now, Xenia gonna die. Oh. Yes, you are too old. I can handle this. Go and kill Kylie. That will be easy for you. And you'll get Kylie's sling. Okay. Are you going to kill me? Yes, now die. Goodbye, my friend. See, you got Kylie's sling. Okay, now wear the sling, don't forget it. And come here, and you see Caitlyn. Kill her first. She is magic. That's not good. I'll use spray. Okay. I killed her. Okay, now you need to cross it. Talk to her. Are they waiting for finish me? Time to die. Oh my, she's dead. Take Catherine's staff. Slippery girl, that's not. And if you check, it's like a staff of air. It's the same thing. I guess you need to autocast here. And my name is Roy the Pager, and I'm an adventurer. Kill him. Oh no, he's dead. Oh. You've been me adventure, yes I am. Time for you to die. Now, take the sword. The sword is kind of the same stats of iron/bronze longsword, so it's not pretty good. You need to unlock her and you're up. Oh, guys are done, we're out. Is there offers? Okay, now and we're finishing it. And you got 1 quest point, Coil Sling, Captain Stuff, use a sword, 100 attack, strength, defense, range, and magic experience, access to Lumbridge Catacombs dungeon. Congratulations, that quest, it's not really easy. It's really easy, so goodbye.